everyone, thanks for joining me today. In today's video, we're making an easy crock-pot chicken and dumplings meal. So let's get started and let me know at the end what you think of this video. I love this recipe. It's one of my favorites. I'm going to start by going through the ingredients. We're going to start with 1 can of low sodium chicken broth and 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. Then we have our spices, poultry seasoning. We have minced garlic, which is one of my favorites. I love minced garlic. And this is what I use. It's like a garlic, low salt type of thing for my husband. And some biscuits, a little bit of salt if you want it. I don't personally like to use salt. So I have 3 chicken breasts, and I'm going to spray my crock pot with olive oil, and then I'm going to add my chicken, my spices on top of my chicken. On top of that, we're going to add the cream of chicken soup, and again, that's 2 cans. So here's my other can, and just put the soup on top of the chicken. Once we do that, you can spread it around if you'd like. You don't have to. But then we're going to add our chicken broth. So we're going to add our low sodium chicken broth over the chicken. And like I said, go ahead and spread it around if you'd like. To that, we're going to chop our onion and place it on top of the soup. Then we're going to go ahead and cover the crock pot, and we're going to place it on low for 4 hours. So we're going to cook for 4 hours. Okay, so once the 4 hours is up, you'll want to take your can of biscuits and chop them up. And then you're going to place the biscuits into the crock pot. Cover again, same temperature, and cook for 1 more hour. And that is it. After 1 more hour, your meal is ready, and it's so delicious. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe as much as I have. Please let me know if you make this. Like I said, it's one of my family favorites, and it's so easy, so quick. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you at the next video. Bye!